In this video we will guide you through the process of configuring Matter ID. The system automatically generates a unique ID for both corporate matters and litigation cases, starting with M followed by zeros and the ID number. You have the flexibility to customize and configure these IDs. To do so, go to the System Settings and under Matters section choose ID Configuration. The ID in Matters is composed of 3 sections. Custom Prefix: you can assign any keyword or abbreviation to represent the matter category, allowing you to differentiate between corporate matters and litigation cases. For example, corporate matter IDs can start with CM and litigation cases with LC. Practice Area Prefix: the abbreviation of each practice area type. For example, administrative might be admin. The ID is the number auto-generated by the system. The first 2 sections can be enabled or disabled on the ID configuration page in the settings as needed. After configuring the ID, click Save and confirm your update in the pop-up message that will display the changes to be applied. The changes will be then applied to Matter IDs within all the system. For more information about Lexzur, kindly reach out to us at help@lexzur.com.